dehydration hits, we have no choice but to drink from the wild. However, 1 in 5 hikers fall ill from wild water. Bacteria, parasites, even microplastics can be found in over 90% of stream water. Meet Oassay, the world's first 3-in-1 purifier. The silicone cup for quick filling. The Purify spout for safe drinking. Double safety for NSF standard purification. NanoFlex carbon blocks debris and improves taste. 0.1 micrometers membrane blocks 99.999% hidden threats. From murky to pure, instantly. Plus, the titanium cup perfect for boiling and hot drinks. With its modular design, you can customize your setup. The hose port fits most outdoor hoses. The universal thread works with standard 28mm bottles. And there's more. Detachable cartridges for easy backwash. Direct bottle fit for sterile backwash. Restore NanoFlex carbon for 100 times reuse, flushing out 90% of debris. Backwash design for full flow rate recovery. One filter replaces 1,000 plastic bottles. Extend the lifespan by 5 times. Fill, purify, enjoy, from stream to safety in 3 steps. Oassay FlexFlow, the 3-in-1 modular purifier bottle for easy hydration.